NumberSync. Set up NumberSync. NumberSync lets you use your primary smartphone number on your wearable, so you can make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and more using the same number that your family, friends, and colleagues recognize, even when your smartphone isn't nearby or even powered on. To set up NumberSync on your watch, press the Power Home button. Navigate to and select Settings. Swipe to and select Connections. Swipe to and select AT&T NumberSync. Select Get Started. Select the checkmark. Your watch will display Check Your Phone. From your smartphone, enter your AT&T Access ID and password, then select Sign In. Please note, NumberSync requires an AT&T user ID that is associated with the smartphone number that you want to sync. You will receive a 5-digit NumberSync code on the watch. On your smartphone, enter the 5-digit NumberSync code from the watch. Select the I accept terms and conditions checkbox, then select Sync. NumberSync is ready for use.